name is Sahil Mathur. I work with InMobi. I'm the head of the Global Revenue Insights and Delivery team here. I've been a part of this team right from its inception. So it's been about 2.5 years for me at InMobi doing this sort of a role. I've worked at very good organizations, some of the best names, brands all across the world. And at InMobi, we've done something which is very, very different, something which is very new, a very different way of doing our day-to-day jobs that we do over here. And what is the most important thing that I see here is that every day when you come into work, you're actually making an impact. What we're basically looking for is intrinsically smart people who don't need a lot of guidance, people who are like born entrepreneurs to some extent, have a will and a strong desire to succeed. And then these are smart people. So you don't typically hire smart people and tell them what to do. The smart people get into the company and they tell you what is a better way of doing things earlier than what you've been doing in the past. We have a lot of openness in terms of the way that we manage our work on a day-to-day basis, how we interact with people. It's a completely open door policy. Anybody can come into the company and on day one suggest something that they feel is a better way of doing things. And we really honor that and we really appreciate that sort of feedback from the team. We try to experiment with new things. We don't have any people that we are following. We try to be the leaders. We try to think innovatively, very differently, and as an industry first sort of experience that we want to have in the company as well as amongst its people. And that's typically what we keep as the ethos, as the basic foundation of the company. It'll be difficult to predict what we'll be doing, say, in 5 years from now. But what I can really say is that we are probably 3 months to 6 months ahead of anybody else in the industry. We are looking at things which are very, very new, some things which have not been tried in the industry. We are also looking at various ways of picking up things from whatever is going on as a trend, as a pattern in all the different parts of the world and building that into our day-to-days. So if you look at what InMobi has been doing over the last 7-8 years, it's been a great, exciting journey so far. We would have never imagined 4-5 years back that we'll be where we are today. And if you look back and see what we were doing, it's a very sort of out-of-body experience to say this is what we started off with and where we are at today. The company has truly transformed over the last 5-6 years. I would say that we've been keeping pace, maybe a step ahead of what's going on around us. Started off as a text-based sort of company, then moved on to becoming an ad network, moved on to becoming a creative sort of intelligence unit, and now we have truly established ourselves as a product-first company. Besides that, it's extremely fun. It's a lot of, the culture itself is carried by the people on a day-to-day basis. Every interaction, whether it be, looking over your desk and talking to the person who's sitting next to you, all the way up to having access to the senior most executive folk in this company. There are multiple forums that we provide for people to have that sort of an idea sharing, whether it be through coffee conversations, lunch table conversations, just desk-to-desk conversations. There's a lot of openness on having access to whoever you need to ensure that you are getting the right amount of stimulus to make you go in the right direction. Besides that, we have a lot of other perks and benefits in the sense of having aided, guided learning, ensuring that people have a good social forum to interact. Many hobbies are taken care of. There are gyms, there are many sessions around painting, dance classes, peer-to-peer learning, you name it and you have it. There are cookery sessions every now and then. One of the most fun culture carriers that we have is on Fridays we bring out a cart, and that cart has some really quirky things that you can interact with. There are edibles, you get to know people. It's almost like a moving sort of island which people congregate towards and then talk to each other. So these kind of things really get people out of the bed every morning and help them to really get engaged with the company and come to work every day with a very positive, very strong, very excited attitude. And I think that's what keeps it all together. Laying on top of all of this is a very, very honest approach from everybody that nobody is monitoring you. It's full ownership given to people, and you are basically the masters of determining how you succeed in this company. There is nobody who's like a big brother who's looking over your shoulder every now and then and checking what you're doing. You are basically given full responsibility of what you want to do on a day-to-day basis. You decide your goals, you monitor them, track them, and then you measure it, whether you're being successful or not. And that's the best way to give people an opportunity to really take charge of their own careers and destinies. And that's how we are.